Namaste. In the revision with Vritti, we are continuing the chapter Time. Shall we start, Vritti?
Yes, Amma.
Okay. Today we will see days of the week. How many days are there in a week, Babu?
7.
Good. 7 days. Can you tell me the days?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Good. Okay. We will read this. Okay, na? Do you know the days of the week in the right order? On Monday, Sarah wore her white uniform for the sports day in her school. Okay. On Tuesday and Wednesday, Sarah's mother took her to the market. On Thursday, it was her sister Shelley's birthday party. On Friday, Sarah's friend Rita took her to the library. On Saturday, Sarah and her friends cleaned the school garden. Sunday is a holiday, so Sarah went for cycling. Okay? ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಸೈರಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸೈರಾ ಡಿಡ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವೀಕ್. ಒಂದು ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡುವ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Sarah went for cycling on dash. When she went for cycling?
Sunday.
Good. Sunday. Big yes. Big yes. SUNDAY. Chanda bari. Sarah went for cycling on Sunday. SUNDAY. Okay. Sarah and her friends cleaned the school garden on dash. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? Saturday. ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes. A.
Big yes.
A. D. U. R. D.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಬರೀ, ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Y. S. U.
SATURDAY. Saturday.
SATURDAY.
Sarah and Rita went to the dash on Friday. Library. They went to library. LIBRARY. Okay, next. Sarah went to the market with her dash on dash and dash. Market ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು?
Tuesday and Wednesday.
So went to the market with her
Mother.
Okay, mother.
Tuesday.
With her mother, right? Mother. 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 On Tuesday and
Friday.
Tuesday and Wednesday. TUES. DAY. Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay. Tomorrow we will see this months in a year. Okay, na?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.